Welcome to our travel vlog. I'm standing right in front of an absolutely unique building, one that holds over 650 years of history, stories, and layers of faith right here in Gibraltar. On 20th August 1462, Gibraltar fell to Castilian forces. In the days that followed, this place, originally a Marinid mosque, was not destroyed. Instead, it was honored and given new purpose, formally rededicated to the Blessed Virgin Mary as Santa Maria la Coronada y San Bernardo, or Saint Mary the Sea Crowned. This was never an erasure of what came before, but a new chapter written on the very same ground. The building adapted to serve the Catholic faith while keeping its original foundations and core structure completely intact. For centuries after, it stood as Gibraltar's main church, watching over the city through times of peace and times of turmoil. Then came its greatest test, the Great Siege of 1779 to 1783. The bell tower was pulled down so enemies couldn't use it as an aiming point. But even that wasn't enough. The building was bombarded, set on fire, and burned for 3 full days. Yet it did not vanish. Rebuilding began in 1790. The old Gothic front made way for a classical style, and a new bell and clock tower was added in 1820. It rose again, changed but stronger, carrying the scars of its past with quiet pride. Through every shift in power, every war, every passing generation, this building stayed, respected, used, and cherished. St. Mary the Crowned is more than just a cathedral. It is a living record of Gibraltar's journey, from mosque to church, from medieval stronghold to modern community heart. Stronghold to modern community heart. We do not rewrite its history to suit one view, nor claim it belongs only to one faith or one people. Instead, we see it for what it truly is, a building that has held the hopes of all who came here and stands today as a reminder that our most precious heritage is how we respect, preserve, and share the stories we inherit. Inside St. Mary the Crowned Cathedral, you will see a rich collection of statues and sacred images that tell the story of Catholic faith and Gibraltar's history. Central figures: the Virgin Mary. The cathedral's namesake is honored here as Santa Maria la Coronada, St. Mary the Crowned, with her main statue on the high altar. You will also find representations of Our Lady of Lourdes and Our Lady of Europe, Gibraltar's beloved patroness. Jesus Christ. Several statues depict him, including the Most Holy Christ of Humility and Patience, the Holy Burial, and the Christ of the Happy Death, showing his life, suffering, and resurrection. Alongside these are statues of revered saints, such as Saint Joseph, Saint Sebastian, and Saint Bernard of Clairvaux, to whom the cathedral is also dedicated. You will also see images of holy women, nuns, and other saints who have inspired devotion through the centuries. What they mean. Each statue is more than decoration. It is a sacred symbol that invites prayer, tells a story of faith, and connects visitors to generations of people who have worshipped here. From the building's earliest days as a mosque to its life as a cathedral today, they stand as quiet witnesses to how this place has been a home to many beliefs and a house of prayer for all. This is the extraordinary story of St. Mary the Crowned. More than just a building, it is a living testament to Gibraltar's journey. It began as a place of one faith, was embraced by another, and has carried the hopes and prayers of all who came here. It truly is Gibraltar's building of many faith, one shared history, and one beloved home. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and join us for more stories from the road.